If you're experiencing login issues on Pinnacle Financial, follow these steps to quickly resolve the problem and regain access to your account. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password via your registered email. Step 3. Clear browser caches. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers, and attempt to log in again. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Pinnacle Financial's customer support. Provide them with details about your problem for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.